Zhongshan Nengtong Burglarproof Electronics Company Limited is located in Xiaolan Town, Zhongshan City of China, near to Guangzhou or Shenzhen City. Enjoying convenient traffic conditions, is a modern high-tech enterprise integrating research and development, manufacturing and sales of car and motorcycle alarm security system, such as GPS, GSM alarm system, two-way alarm system, smart engine starter, remote central lock system, and LED lights, etc. Founded in 2007, the factory size is more than 4,000 square meters. After years' effort, has been recognized by both overseas and domestic customers with excellent product quality, leading technology and service. Also, OEM and ODM services are available. Since founded, the Nengtong Electronics has been integrated advanced production equipment and scientific production management with self-technology advantage, has gathered a group of elites in product research and development, production management, and sales service in the industry, introducing latest production equipment from Germany, Japan, or USA, integrating human management and corporate culture. Nengtong Electronics is building first-class enterprise with research and development, big manufacturing, brand, and service strategic advantage in the field of car and motorcycle security system, adhering to the philosophy of technology is the drive of the product. Service is the source of the market. Nengtong Electronics puts the quality and service at the first place for all customers, continually optimize the products, enhance service, and constantly create splendid achievements.